The competition title is Autonomous Drone Racing. The drone is autonomously controlled by the programming, and the goal here is to do the shuttle run between two sets of gates. But the gate is not static, it's dynamic in terms of its location is changed by the LED light. The drone has to go through the gate, and then there will be timing judged. So we started this competition 3 years ago in IROS 2016 in Daejeon. We created this competition because we want to push the autonomous navigation, especially vision-based navigation of the drone. Drone has very limited power and battery, so this technology is to push the more complex algorithm to be more useful in smaller setting of the hardware and also the software.
We're at the University of Maryland, coming from just outside DC, United States, and we're basing off the Parrot Bebop 2, sort of like the actual platform. On top of that, we have an NVIDIA Jetson, which is our processor, and a Z Mini as our camera. Kind of putting all these together, using the sensors from the actual Bebop, kind of getting it all together, I think we have a pretty good recipe to do pretty well in the competition.
We're from Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands. This is like a real racing drone that typically is used by human pilots. And we have this really tiny, cheap Chevois smart cam. It's like $50. And this runs all of the vision algorithms in real time. And this is a very tiny microcontroller that runs all the control. So yeah, what makes us stand out is that we can do it on very small, efficient hardware, which we can mount almost anywhere. And so I'm just happy if we can pass through some gates and yeah, show that it at least works.
So we are from South Korea, Sungkyunkwa University. And what makes our robot special is that we made everything by ourselves. From the frame, the design of the frame, the selection of all the parts. Yeah, it's carbon frame, so it's quite light. And we designed it to be very fast.
We got interested in the drone race because we thought it's ideal to show this kind of bio-inspired method. We think that there it can really shine because you have to react quickly in an environment, and this is also what animals are really great at. We've been participating since 2016, since the first race.
This definitely gives us an opportunity to kind of exhibit, kind of practice our skills, give us a chance to actually implement everything we're kind of learning on an actual solution. There's definitely a lot of stuff here I learned which I wouldn't have gotten in the classroom.
Drone racing exposes a lot of the issues in autonomous navigation for flying robots, estimation of its own position, for example, but also issues in control and perception, which are quite big challenges. So it's really exciting to be working in that area. We are excited to see what other teams can do, but we also will bring something to the party.
I wish they have fun and also good luck for the events.